Inside your body, a silent countdown has begun, targeting the very structures that allow you to move. And by the time you feel the first symptom, it may already be a crisis. This isn't about a sudden injury. It's a slow, methodical erosion of your body's essential shock absorbers, your cartilage, a process that can steal your mobility without you even knowing it's happening. Let's journey to the microscopic battlefield. Your cartilage is a living tissue, maintained by specialized cells called chondrocytes. These cells are the builders, constantly repairing the collagen matrix, but they are under relentless assault from inflammatory molecules, or cytokines. These are the saboteurs, breaking down the matrix faster than your cells can rebuild it, turning your smooth, resilient joint surfaces into a rough, pitted landscape of decay. What fuels this internal sabotage? Often, it's a nutritional void. Cartilage has no direct blood supply. It gets its nutrients from the surrounding joint fluid. When your diet lacks the specific building blocks for collagen and the key cofactors for repair, you are effectively starving your joints. The builders, the chondrocytes, run out of materials. The repair process grinds to a halt, leaving your cartilage defenseless against daily wear and tear. Beyond nutrient deficiency, there is an even more aggressive enemy: systemic inflammation triggered by your diet. According to researchers at institutions like Johns Hopkins Medicine, certain foods, particularly processed sugars, refined carbohydrates, and unhealthy fats, can trigger a body-wide inflammatory alarm. This alarm sends those destructive cytokine molecules directly to your joints, creating a chronic, low-grade fire that constantly damages your cartilage. You are literally eating your way to joint destruction. The situation is critical, but not hopeless. You can intervene. By providing your body with a precise arsenal of nutritional tools, you can support the builders and disarm the saboteurs. This is not a vague suggestion to eat healthy. This is a strategic, three-pronged mission to fortify your cartilage from the inside out. First, the collagen protocol. Your cartilage is primarily made of collagen. To rebuild it, you must supply the raw materials. The mission is to consume 15 grams of hydrolyzed collagen peptides daily, or prepare a slow-cooked bone broth from high-quality bones 3 times per week. These provide the crucial amino acids, glycine and proline. Critically, you must pair this with at least 500 milligrams of vitamin C daily from whole food sources like bell peppers or kiwis. Vitamin C is the non-negotiable chemical key that allows your body to synthesize those amino acids into new, strong collagen fibers. Without it, the building blocks are useless. Second, the omega-3 offensive. You must actively extinguish the inflammatory fire. The most potent weapon for this is a high dose of marine-based omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. The mission is to incorporate at least 2 4-ounce servings of cold water fatty fish like wild-caught salmon, mackerel, or sardines per week. These fatty acids directly interfere with inflammatory pathways, inhibiting enzymes like KOX2, which is a primary driver of joint pain and degradation. This is not a passive defense, it's an active anti-inflammatory assault. Third, the antioxidant shield. Destructive free radicals are a byproduct of inflammation, causing direct damage to your cartilage cells. Your final mission is to neutralize them. The key is a compound called sulforaphane, found in its highest concentration in broccoli sprouts. Consume 1 cup of fresh broccoli sprouts 3 to 4 times a week. Sulforaphane activates your body's own master antioxidant switch, the NRF2 pathway, creating a powerful, lasting shield that protects your chondrocytes from oxidative stress, allowing them to focus on their primary job, rebuilding.